My name is Hugo Jr and we're going to be unboxing a new character called Phillip.
Why is your hair green?
Cause full screen.
You trying to match Phillip?
Nah. It's Thanksgiving soon, so I'm gonna go to a party and I'm gonna surprise everyone.
Alright, be careful with those scissors.
Yeah, always be careful with scissors when you're using it. So, this is Phillip. He's number 68. And it says on the front of the box, Fisher Price, ages 3 to 6. Thomas & Fence Trackmaster. Motorized engine. The side where it shows Phillip. The other side. We have these two. I'm in Walmart.
Cool.
3.
Nice.
And you could pause the video to read that. Collect them all. And hit entertainment.
No, read it. I want to hear it.
Okay. Meet Phillip, an enthusiastic and energetic diesel box cab who is always eager to help. Featuring 2 cargo cars with removable cargo, this Phillip motorized engine is the perfect addition to your Thomas & Friends collection. Flip the switch and watch him race along on a very exciting delivery.
Yay! Cool.
So we're gonna open this. Ooh.
And then we're gonna open it and we'll be right back.
Let's open this side.
Yeah, just open your side.
Done. I'm done. Should be done. There you go. Oh yes. I never used to connect all 3 of the cargo cars together, but now they did, so that's cool. Here's Phillip. He's a boxcar diesel. That's the back. Kind of looks like a tram engine. Top. 89. 68. That's the other side. The bottom. Let's see if it says Phillip anywhere. Phillip? There. Doesn't say Phillip. So that's the bottom of Phillip. Side. The back. Other side. The front. And it doesn't have any couplings in the front. There's 2 more new cargo cars. This is the Blue Mountain Quarry. That's a new truck. Never seen that one before. And then another Blue Mountain Quarry truck. That has the words.
Rocks?
Has clay. So, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Like, subscribe, and comment for more unboxings like these. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching.